Find the number of ways in which four squares can be chosen at random on a chessboard such that they lie on a diagonal line. Now, chessboard looks like this. It is a 8 by 8 square. Now, diagonal means it can be like this. So, you can see that there are 8 squares in this diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So out of these 8, we can select any 4. So therefore, it becomes 8c4 plus. Now, the next diagonal, we can say it is like this. In this diagonal, there are 7 squares. So we can have it like this, 7c4. Now, 7 squares are in this diagonal and 7 squares are in the diagonal below as well, over here. So here we have 7 squares again. So out of that also, we can select any 4. So this has 8, this is 7, this is 7. So 7c4 will be counted 2 times. So therefore, let's multiply it by 2. Now, the next diagonal line will be this one. This diagonal line has 6 squares. So it will become, out of 6, we can select any 4. Here we have 4 squares. So out of 4, we can select any 4. Same thing on the other sides. Over here, we have 5 squares. Now, this diagonal we cannot count because this diagonal has only 3 squares. We want to select 4 squares. So at least we should have 4 squares available. So therefore, this is not valid. But 5c4 for this one and this one. So again, it will be counted 2 times plus 4c4. So this diagonal and this diagonal as well. So everything we need to count 2 times. So therefore, we are multiplying it by 2. Now, it is not necessary that the diagonal should be of this format only. The diagonal could be of this format as well. But the calculations will be exactly the same. So therefore, we won't be doing it again. We'll be multiplying this thing by 2. So solving this, we will get the answer as 364. So answer will be option C.